told me you wanted suburban, I found it without making you leave Baltimore. Welcome to 5927 Ureth. This property is a single family, 4-bedroom, 2-bath property with a feature fireplace in the living room, as well as a mini bar in the basement. This house belongs to you. So this is 5927 Ureth, and this property is brand new everything. So here is our kitchen and dining room area, and the dining room is super cute. Also, we have these adorable light fixtures. We have, of course, a waterfall island. Everything in the kitchen looks just like perfect. And now I'm gonna step us out so that you can see the deck. So the yard here is massive, but the neighborhood, it's like right on the city-county line. So it's a great location for you. And in this property, we have the feature fireplace right here, and then you can add your TV right there as well. But we have 2 bedrooms on this floor. So here's our first bedroom. And this bedroom, you can see we have a good amount of space. If you wanted to add a dresser along that other wall, then this is perfect to add a dresser. And we do have a bathroom right here on this floor. Just how open and spacious and brand new everything is. The floors look amazing in there. And then it does have a little bit of storage right here on the left side. We also have this bedroom on this level as well. And again, these bedrooms are like a great size. Let's go upstairs so that you have a better idea of what the upstairs has to offer. So the upstairs is a primary suite that has all of the features, including a sitting room on this side. So if you wanted to do an office over here, this would be perfect for an office. Here is the bedroom. You can see we have a ton of space in this room as well. And if you're a natural light girly, this is perfect as well because there's so much natural light in here. And then we have good closet space in here as well. Now let's take it down to the basement. I think the basement is a really special portion of this house because it just has a lot to offer. The really cool thing about this basement is that there's so much opportunity to make this into like a hangout space. So if you have family and friends over, then they could hang out in here. This is the utility area of the basement as well. So we have the washer and dryer, and the washer and dryer does come with the property. This is our AC unit as well, and our brand new water heater over there too. You can see we do have an extra bedroom down here. So we have 4 total bedrooms in this property. So you could really just make this your bedroom and it would be perfect. Here's the bathroom for this primary suite. And yes, those LED lights are doing their thing. We have a matching shower. So we have a walk-in shower right here. So it's so pretty. And for this bedroom, it does have a walk-in closet, so that makes it even better for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Lauren DiMartino. I am the listing agent for this property. I'm super excited to set up a tour with you for you to physically be able to walk this property. We do have multiple open houses, so you can just check online to verify when we're having an open house next, or you can comment below and I'm happy to reach out so that we can set up a tour. By the way, don't forget to thumbs up this video, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can see all the homes that are coming to the market as we present them. So I'm super excited to support you in this journey, and bye.